Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make your own all-natural facial cleanser from scratch. So, the first thing we're going to need, of course, is some distilled water. I was going to say all-natural water, but you need some distilled water, okay? And I'm going in with some aloe vera juice, which does wonders to the skin. Now, I do have my bowl there on top of a scale, and I'm actually measuring out all my ingredients. Now, I can't share my recipe with you guys because I do sell my facial cleanser, but I will share the ingredients with you that I use so that way you can take them and do what you want with them, okay? So, now I'm adding in the surfactants. I went in with the deco-glucoside, and now I'm adding in the cocoa betaine, which are the surfactants that cause the foaming agent that causes all that lather, that foamy, I ain't gonna say, I was gonna say goodness, but the foaming action, okay, that those two cause that. So you don't have to use both, you can use one, but I like to use both because I just love the lather that it gives. Now, we need to thicken this up, okay? So I'm now measuring out some glycerin and some xanthan gum, which is going to thicken up my mixture. So the xanthan gum itself, is a thickener, but the glycerin is what's gonna help it to spread out, okay? I couldn't even really get that out, but yeah, you want to make sure it's mixed up thoroughly, okay? Very, very well, or else it's gonna turn out grainy and gritty, and you don't want that, okay? It's gonna have lumps all in your facial cleanser, and you don't want that, okay? You want it to be mixed thoroughly. So go in with your immersion blender after you add that in, and it is gonna thicken beautifully. Look at that right there. So now that we got this mixed up, we are going to go in with the green tea and cucumber water. Now, I could have added this at the beginning, but I like to add it at the end after I, go in with the xanthan gum mix to kind of thicken it up. And now we're going to add in a preservative. Now, I am labeling all the benefits of most of the ingredients that I'm using so that you guys can see what exactly this is going to do to the skin. Now, we need to test the pH, okay? And as you can see from that that strip that was just once yellow that turned green, the pH was way off. So add in a little bit of citric acid, okay? Give it a good mix. Get you another test strip and dip it in, and it should be plain yellow, just like the strip itself. That right there is perfect. And this right here is the citric acid that I used, if you guys may be wondering. But that right there, guys, that pH was way off. So now that it's balanced, we are good, and I can get this bottled. So like I said, I did make this for the house. I do have different labels that I make, for the ones that I sell. But again, these are in the house, so I just wanted something on there so that we will know what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little demo here for you guys so that you can see the foaming action that happens once you mix it with water. And like I said, you guys can see that consistency, very, very nice, and it just turned out beautiful and perfect. So yeah, look at that foam, guys, and it is forming, and that's why I like to use 2 surfactants instead of 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how to make your own all-natural facial cleanser. If you enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care.